Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn ordinary photo into a Vogue magazine style model shots using just your phone. It's completely free and super easy. No advanced editing, no expensive apps, just one simple tool. Okay, let's get started. First, we are going to use an app called Dreamface, and if you don't have it yet, just head over to the Play Store and then download it. And when installed, just log in with your Google account. It's quick and simple. And don't worry, Dreamface has a free package that gives you weekly credits and limited number of daily image or video generations. So you can try this without paying anything. Next, after you sign in, you will land on the homepage like this. And then just tap on AI filter and then scroll down until you find fashion sections, this one. And then just choose Vogue magazines, this one, just tap on it. Now just choose your photo that you want to transform. And once you're finished, choose your photo, just tap on animate. Oh wow, like this. Dreamface just transform your photo into stylish high fashion Vogue magazines look like this. And honestly, it's super gorgeous. And that's it. In just a few steps, you have transformed a simple photo into a professional looking Vogue magazine's model shot. This is a perfect for fun edits, or even you can use it as a profile picture or even just to surprise your friends. So just go ahead and just try it yourself. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.